Hello, my friends. I am very excited to share these products with you. We're just going to jump right in. Are you ready? Get set. By popular request, I know it doesn't look like much here. Let's look at them. By popular request, we now have our Little Peeps mini slimline dolls, or our paper dolls, have more clothing and shoes. You've all asked for shoes. Here we go. Here's a cute little Kirsten all dressed up. I have lots of samples to show you, but so much fun. So you're getting some pants, some shorts, some overalls, a top, kind of like a tank top, and then like a tank top dress. And those shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of shoes. Oh, I know you've been waiting. I finally got it done. I'm sorry it took so long. Number 2, and this is one that you all saw a sneak peek of a long time ago. A long time ago. In fact, so long ago, it was back when the hermit crabs came out as a club set. Do you even remember that so far back? Well, I don't. Let me tell you, look at that fun little shape in the background. It is our shell background die. Let me show it to you. It is so beautiful. It coordinates, by the way, with this shell edge card. But look at how stinking cute that is. Isn't that gorgeous? It's very intricate. I want you to make sure you're using your adhesive sheets on the back. Gorgeous, right? Now, last but not least, this one is really fun. We needed some more 5x7 circle inserts. So we've come out with a couple. In fact, I think I might even have them here. We came out with a tulip one. We came out with the hearts one. This is to add to that collection. This is kind of like a winter theme with the Christmas trees and a beach theme with the palm trees. So I have lots of samples. Let's jump in because they're so exciting. Now, number 1. Look at cute little Katie all dressed up, ready to go. Here is a Kirsten all in their new outfit. So now they have new clothing, which is very important, right? Now, here is, and don't forget, I think some of you are forgetting, we have Kirsten and Katie dolls. We have Liam and Miller dolls, but please don't forget our little bear. Do not forget our little bear. All the clothing fits him as well. Here's another Kirsten. Here is this is adorable. Here is a little Liam. Oh my goodness. Love him. So adorable. Here is a cute one on the, what do we call this? I don't remember. The pocket slider card. Ready? Dun 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 dun. Pops up. So adorable. So fun. Now, I've heard of a lot of people making felt pieces out of these to make like little felt board, little felt pieces to play for little kids to play with. There's so many different options now that we've added so much more clothing. All the clothing fits all of the dolls. Now let's jump in and look at that gorgeously intricate shell background. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at how fun. Now, you can do it vertical or horizontal, which is so much fun, right? It's always nice to be able to have that option to do both. Love it. Oh, I missed one. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't this cute? You are amazing. Dress up, show up, never give up. I love that. I love that. That is so fun. Now, let's look at some more samples over here. We have a cute little ornament. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you imagine making a little ornament for your tree just using circle dies? Circle dies, that's it. Or you can put them on our 5x7 fold-its. Look at that. Love it. Or you can put them on a regular A2 card, right? Because there's lots of options on this. Here is on a stand-up. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. On the circle stand-up with a cute little Santa on there. Look how cute that is. And here's another one on the circle stand-up. So adorable. I love it. Now this is awesome because this is both of them. So let's grab that one and let's grab this one. So for Christmas and for summer, I have you covered. My friends, the first 24 hours, these are on the website. These are on flash sale. Club members, yes, you get your club discount. If you're not a club member, what are you waiting for? Christmas? No pun intended. Go check it out at stampsoflife.com. You can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a stamp set. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.